How to disable reader mode on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable reader mode on Opera Mini. First thing we're gonna do is go to Opera and let's go back, and here just click this one, Opera icon in the bottom corner, and then click this one, settings icon, and then you will find here this one, start page content, and click on it. And now click here, reader mode, and you will find this one, disable, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.